Sairam children, welcome back to this session. So children, today we are here to learn a new lesson. Are you all ready? Okay. So children, just view the picture on the screen. What do you see in this picture? Yes, this is our environment. This is the kind of environment in which we live, right? So children, now tell me, what does it consist of? It consists of so many different things. Right from the buildings, trees, roads, and even the water bodies. So everything is used by us, isn't it? So whatever we use for making our requirements is a resource. So children, what is a resource? Everything which is available in our environment and which can be used to satisfy our needs is a resource. For example, children, we use different kinds of furniture, isn't it? Furnitures are made of, yes, wood. Very good. So children, now tell me, from where do we get this wood? Yes, we get wood from trees. So trees are a resource. Trees provide us wood for making furniture. So trees are a resource. Okay. Children, we need food to survive. Okay. So for that, what we have to do? We need to grow crops. How do we grow crops? For that, we need water. Without water, we cannot have food. So we need water to grow food. So water is satisfying our important need. So water is a resource. Water is satisfying our important need. So water is also a resource. Okay. Children, we need clothing, isn't it? So cotton is a resource for clothing. Many different trousers and shirts are made of cotton. So children, you also wear shirts and dresses made of cotton, isn't it? Nylon is also a resource for clothing, but it is made from chemicals. We generate this fabric in the laboratory. Just see the difference between the two. Cotton fabric. From where do we get cotton? Yes, we get cotton from cotton plant. So this is available in nature. Whereas nylon is made of chemicals. It is generated, this nylon fabric is generated in the laboratory. It is man-made. So this is, cotton is natural and nylon is man-made. So children, resources are of two types. Natural resources, they are natural resources and man-made resources. Natural resources are available in nature. They are already available in nature. We don't make it or we don't create it. It is already available in nature. Whereas man-made, they are made by man. They are created by humans. Okay, I'll just show you some examples. Just see man-made things and natural things. See here, man-made things, clothes, furniture, pots and pans, pencil, pen, books, car, bicycle, paper. All these are made by man. They are created by humans. Natural things, rocks, butterflies, elephants, trees, sun, moon, stars and people. All these are natural things. Okay. So natural things are available in nature, whereas man-made things are created by man. Is it clear, children? So children, today we are going to learn lesson number 9, natural resources. Lesson number 9, natural resources. So in this lesson, you will learn about natural resources, renewable and non-renewable resources, the different natural resources, soil, water, forest, minerals and fuels. So children, let's start. There are many valuable things in nature that are necessary for us to live on the earth. Some of these are air, water, soil, forest, animals and minerals. They are called natural resources. Yes, children, natural resources are already available in nature. It is not created by humans. They are available in nature. So they are known as natural resources. And we use these natural resources in our daily lives. Is that clear? Children, what do you see in the picture? Yes, immediately you will say electricity pole. So children, can we imagine our life without electricity in modern life? Not really, right? So right from our TV to computers and big machines in the large factories run on electricity. So electricity is very important in our life, isn't it? So children, do you know how electricity is generated? What are the major resources for the generation of electricity? There are 3 major resources. What are they? Yes, water, air and coal. So each one of these is different from the other. Okay. Children, let us consider water and wind. Just look at these pictures on the screen. This is electricity generated from water and this is from wind. So children, you must have seen windmills, isn't it? Electricity generated from water. So children, there is unlimited supply of water. Water is replenished. It can be renewed. Water can be renewed because we have a water cycle in our environment. So water doesn't get exhausted. It is inexhaustible. Okay. Wind. Wind sometimes blows and sometimes stops. But again it blows, right? So it is also inexhaustible. So all these are called renewable resources. Sunlight, wind, water, all these are called renewable resources. Is that clear, children? Children will see electricity generated from coal. Coal is available in nature. So children, do you know where the reserves of coal are found? They are found under the ground. And we have a limited supply of coal in our planet. So if we finish these reserves, if we finish using these reserves, it will be renewed very slowly over millions of years. So coal is a non-renewable resource. Is it clear? Examples of non-renewable resources are petroleum, LPG and gas. Okay, is that clear, children? Children, there are two types of natural resources. They are renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Okay. Renewable resources are those that will never run out. It means it will not get over. Example, the sun, or constantly renewed by natural processes. As I explained you earlier. Do you remember? There is water cycle in our environment. Okay. Example, water. Water is renewed by rain. Next is non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are those which once used up or exhausted and are either not renewed by nature. If renewed, it will be renewed slowly. It may take millions of years. Okay. Examples, fuels like coal and petroleum, minerals like gold, iron and copper. Is that clear, children? Our next topic is soil. So children, you have seen soil and you have touched it, isn't it? What is soil? The soil which you see, it is the top layer on the earth's surface. So children, do you know it is a mixture of minerals, water and air. So soil is the loose uppermost layer on the earth's surface. Soil is the loose uppermost layer on the earth's surface. Plants grow in soil and they get water and mineral salts from the soil. Since plants make food for all living things, so all living things depend on soil for food. Is that clear, children? So children, with this I stop teaching the remaining part of this topic soil, and the remaining part of this lesson will continue in the next class. So children, let's summarize. So children, let's summarize what we have learned today. Natural resources. What are natural resources? Yes, there are many valuable things in nature that are necessary for us to live on this planet. Some of these are air, water, soil, forests, animals and minerals. They are known as natural resources. And we use these natural resources in our daily lives. Okay. Next is renewable and non-renewable resources. What are renewable resources? Renewable resources can constantly renewed by natural processes, whereas non-renewable resources get exhausted or they can only be renewed very slowly over millions of years. They take millions of years. Okay. Next is soil. So what is soil? Soil is the loose uppermost layer on the earth's surface. Okay. So children, will continue the topic soil and the remaining part of this lesson in the next class. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.